Hello guys, hello, welcome back to BST African Electronics Surgery on a Sunday 22 January 2023. I'm happy. A day before yesterday, that was a Friday, I received a special gift from one of my subscribers who is in China. I can't believe how the channel is growing. I love you guys wherever you are around the world. I just pray that everything must be well on your side, you know. So one of my subscribers sent me these things to me. He said, you know, I was watching your videos on YouTube. I know you are doing something with electronics. Can you try these things in your country? Okay, so what is this? Okay, let's unsee one and see what is inside. Okay, that's what is inside. MT3608. These are power module, DC to DC controller. So I'm yet to discover, you know. I never used this. Or what I know, these are some kind of adjustable DC to DC power module. But if I'm to check the schematics, is very easy. Let me find a paper. 1 second. I need a plain piece of paper. Okay, so let's try to see how this thing is working. That's MT3608 DC to DC controller. Okay, so here we have the V in plus, V in minus, V out plus, V out minus. 2 wires on the input, 2 wires on the output. So input rated voltage, voltage is around if I do remember well, around 2 volts to 25 volts DC, and I will check online, and output is something like 5 volts to 28 volts DC, and the output current around the 2 amps. That's the output current. So that's the thing about these items. So before I proceed, I just want to cross check about these ratings online. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me cross check few things online. Okay, so new tab, Google MT30. That's 36 3608 data sheet. Okay, let's say input voltage. Okay, you can see input voltage 2 to 24 volts and the output 5 to 28 volts, maximum output current around 2 amps. So I think I was wrong here. Here is 24, it's not 25, it's 24. Let's correct here, 24 volts. So module just fall down. Anyway, let's open another one. Don't worry, he sent me 100 of this for free, just for free. That's, I can't believe people from all over the world, you can get such kind of a love from someone who doesn't even know you. I really appreciate. May God bless this man, you know. So what I want to do, I want to test this thing. I want to test. We are here to discover how this thing works. I think we have some wires, so I'll solder 2 wires on the input. I'll solder 2 wires on the input here. Two wires on the input. I want to see exactly how this power module is working. These power modules, they are very good, especially if you have missing voltages and you can't find, maybe it's a chip or it's a driver. It's good to use this to improvise, you know. I think I shall do some videos in the future modifying some power supplies with missing voltages and try to use these power modules. I think any voltage which is ranging between 5 to 28 output, we can use this power module. We can use these power modules. So it means we are going somewhere. I have that feeling that we are going somewhere. Remember, we just started this journey like 4 or 5 months ago, and already we have a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, which is nice. So I'm sure one day we're gonna reach there, because I have a certain point where I want to leave these lessons, you know, this tutorial, sorry, because obvious, even myself, don't get me wrong, I'm still in the process of learning electronics. So let's just help each other to climb the ladder, you know. Let's help each other to climb the ladder. It's not hard. So I saw that the 2 wires on the input. What I want to do, I want to connect my power supply. Okay, 1 second. Okay, So I just finished soldering 2 wires, and what I want to do, I want to supply, you can see my DC power supply is on 3.3 volts, around 2.9 amps. Let's lower the current to 2 amps. Let's play with these things, you know. Yes, around 2 amps, 3.3 volts. Good. So I'll put the black probe on the minus, and the red I'll tie it on the plus. I need something. Okay, let's do some experiment, because we need to know how these things are working. Okay, volts on DC. Let's come with the multimeter. Plus, minus. Check on the check on the multimeter. We have 13.4 volts. We have any adjustable switch here. Let's adjust and see if this voltage will reach 28 volts, or these people they are lying. Let's see. How can I do it? The panel is very small. 14. You see, voltage is rising. We have an adjustable switch, and then I'm turning it, it's anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction to raise the voltage. 24. I'm sure it must stop on 28 volts. Okay, 25 volts, and there's no movement anymore. Is it because I put in a lower input voltage? Okay, so this thing is working fine with the 3.3 volts input. Let's raise the voltage to 5 volts. Five volts. 5 volts. Let's adjust again. We're to discover even if you burn 1 or 2, I don't think it's a problem. Yeah, so it's a written output voltage 5 to 28 volts, but this one is getting stuck at 25 volts. So okay, let's lower the voltage. These are nice toys, you know. Let's lower the voltage. Let's lower the voltage low. Nice toys, and there are no many components on this board. That's the only thing that I like. You can easily draw the schematics on your own. It's not that complicated. So you can see we now have a output of 9 volts. So I'm pretty sure with this thing you can replace like maybe we have missing 12 volts output, maybe it's a linear power supply, you are using 7812 regulator on the output, and you don't have the regulator. I think we can play with this thing to bring 12 volts on the output, or to bring any voltage, provided it's not more than 25 volts. So that's the thing. That's pretty nice toy. So I just want to appreciate my subscriber for bringing me such nice things. So because I think he just because he was following the channel from the beginning, because on one of my videos I explained that if you see how the way I'm fixing things, I'm taking components from other boards for parts. We are not using like new components because we can't find them. There's no shop which is selling those parts. If I try to order it from AliExpress, eBay, the shipping cost will kill me. And people here are using like low value gadgets, electronic devices I mean. So it's not really worth it to order components online. It will cost me at the end. So I didn't come to fix anything, but I just wanted to appreciate how other subscribers they are doing to the channel. It's not bad to support the channel if you can, but I'm not here to beg or to seek for some help of any kind, but I'm here in the process of learning. But if you have a willing heart that you wish to support the channel, it's not a bad thing. So once again I want to thank my brother from China for sending me these things. So we'll try to use this back-to-back controller in the future. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Let's call it a game. Probably see you on the next time. Bye.